everyone. Today we're going to talk about where you can find my feedback on your assignments. I like to call this a play in three acts because there's three different places that your feedback might be. I put it in the comments of an assignment, the rubric of the assignment, and then view feedback on the assignment. So let's kind of walk through on how to find it. First of all, when you sign on to your Canvas, you're going to notice that grades may have a number 2 or a number 4 or a 1 saying that something's come back being graded. So you can go ahead and click on grades. When you get to grades, you're going to notice 1 or 2 of the assignments are going to be highlighted. In this case, it's a little bit darker blue. So you can go ahead and look at your grade. You'll notice right there, this person got a 24 out of 30. But what I really want you to click on is the assignment itself. So in this case, person of interest outline. Now, once you get there, there's going to be 3 places you can find my feedback that you're going to want to examine. It's going to be the comments, the rubric, and the feedback itself. So the comments are always very easy to find. I never have a student who can't find the comments, but this is not the only place that I put your feedback. And in fact, it may not show the full picture. So you really want to make sure that you go to the rubric. Now the rubric's going to break down exactly what you missed and how you missed it. So for example, in this particular rubric, you know that 3 points came from your references because it's got 2 out of 5 points. Now, since we know that this particular assignment lost 6 points, you can actually scroll down and see where those points were lost. I'll always have a comment next to it, so it's going to be more than awful or wonderful, but in this case, I just did that so you could see what the comments will look like. The last place is the feedback. Now, if you're over on this side of the web page, if you just hit the POI outline, guess what? That's just going to pull up your own outline with no information. Instead, you want to hit where this big arrow is pointing at view feedback. Once you go there, you're going to pull up your full outline and you're going to be able to see all the notes that I've written directly on the document, highlights with notes on the side, and this is going to be really helpful for you to be able to figure out, oh, I didn't put so-and-so in italics, or I didn't have an orally cited source there, I had an in-text citation, and I understand the difference now. So make sure that you reach out with any questions. I'm here to help.